Right, this one, no idea if this is how it's supposed to arrive as such. I ordered it off of Amazon, but I got one of these tile make things. If you lose your keys, you can find them, supposedly. This come in an envelope which had that sort of picture on, but I just took that as it was just an envelope. I didn't realise until after, and I've already chucked that away. I don't know. I think so. But this was in it, so whether or not this is one of the ones people get free for lots of people buying them, I'm not sure. Oh, it's very small. Very small. But then I suppose you need it to be. Right, what's that? Nothing in particular. Just download the application there, which I've already done and got installed anyway. Right, just a straightforward fold out setup guide, which is multilingual. Warranty, because these aren't chargeable, so I'm sure I've seen somewhere that you can send them back and they'll replace them. I could be wrong. That's just about lifetime, limited warranty even. Obviously there's an issue in Canada because they've got to have their own little piece of paperwork. Not a lot to say really, is there? Apart from, it's very tiny. What can I compare it with? There's never anything when you want it. I've not got a battery. I did have a tape measure as well. Where's that gone? Oh, there. Tiny. Just under 4 centimetres. Oh, about 3.5. So perfect for a set of keys. No idea how to set it up just yet, but I just thought I'd have a quick look, show you guys, just to see how small it is there. But thanks for watching. Please hit subscribe and join me next time.